Welcome. This is my presentation of Ringadoc. Ringadoc is a new technology for the 21st century, featuring a new and innovative way to connect with doctors via the smartphone, computer, with no appointment necessary. It's an app that people can consult with a doctor 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for common conditions that can range, but not limited to the flu, cold, or allergies. Ringadoc is a telemedical company based in California, was founded in 2010 by Jordan Michael, is a multi-billion-dollar company and is growing. Ringadoc facilitates a virtual on-demand platform which patients will easily connect with licensed physicians treating conditions that are not necessarily requiring a doctor's office visit, offering consultations, diagnosis, and issuance of a prescription if needed. It allows people access to medical care on the go who are hard pressed for time or unable to get off time from work. No more unnecessary ER visits. Ringadoc offers medical care from the convenience of your home and is also HIPAA compliant. Costs can range from $25 to $40 per call and is covered by some insurances. The only perceived threats we see from this is loss of revenues for the doctors due to less office visits. We also see the possibility of computer hacks threatening patient privacy. And we also see the overuse of this new technology can result in too many using the service and avoiding the face-to-face contact with doctors and not having the doctor-patient relationship that might be necessary to treat certain conditions. Practice Fusion, one of the largest cloud-based electronic health record platform, acquired Ringadoc in 2014, springing the Practice Fusion into one of the biggest telemedical market providers with a net worth of over $4 billion. This new technology will continue to grow and bring on many new innovations. Ringadoc will help patients receive medical care that they could not afford in the past. Telehealth market in the US is expected to grow as more people will get accustomed to the new technology. Integrative telemedical technology is expected to reduce the cost of healthcare in the US. Thank you.